Looking for a phone that combines power, style, and performance all in one? The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra might be exactly what you're looking for. With a 200MP camera, 165Hz display, and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, this phone is ready to take on anything. But is it really worth the $1,495? Let's find out. And guess what? This smart device will soon be available in the market. The 6.81-inch display is ideal for watching videos, gaming, or simply browsing. With a 165Hz refresh rate, everything looks fluid and smooth, whether you're playing high-performance games or just scrolling through your feed. It's a big, vibrant screen that enhances both work and play. Let's talk about the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has an impressive quad camera setup with a 200MP main camera, 16MP telephoto lens, and a 5MP ultra-wide camera. Whether you're taking portraits, zoom shots, or wide-angle pictures, this phone delivers sharp and detailed results. And for all you selfie lovers, the 64MP front camera takes crisp, clear selfies that will definitely make your social media shine. The camera also supports 8K video recording, so you can shoot top-quality videos that look amazing. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, along with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, ensures smooth and fast performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing, this phone handles everything with ease, and thanks to the 5000 mAh battery, you can go through the day without worrying about running out of power. It supports fast charging, so you won't be waiting long to get back to your tasks. The phone runs on Android 16 and includes features like Samsung DeX, which lets you turn your phone into a desktop, ultra-wideband, UWB, for precise location tracking, and a fingerprint scanner under the display for quick and secure access. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a top-tier phone with all the features you could ask for: stunning cameras, fast performance, a beautiful display, and a massive battery. It's definitely one of the most premium phones you can get. While the price is on the higher side, it's worth every penny if you want a device that handles everything with ease. And yes, this phone will soon be available in the market, so keep an eye out for it. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Are you excited for its release? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates.